In this question, you have to choose the option that correctly represents the sequential steps regarding catalytic cycle of an enzyme action. Now, the correct sequential steps in the catalytic cycle of enzyme action are: number 1, substrate binding to the active site, forming a precise enzyme substrate interaction. Number 2, the enzyme and the substrate form a complex, thus stabilizing the substrate for catalysis. Number 3, the enzyme facilitates the conversion of the substrate into products by breaking or forming chemical bonds, that is, chemical bonds of the substrate broken, followed by release of products, because the reaction results in the release of the products which no longer fit the enzyme's active site. And finally, the enzyme is regenerated and ready to catalyze another reaction cycle, that is, the free enzyme ready to bind with another substrate. Hence, the correct order is E, followed by A, then D, then C, then B. Hence, the correct answer is option C.